Alright, welcome to this tutorial today. We're going to have a look at setting up a Unifi Cloud Key. Now, as you can see on the screen, the key that I'm using specifically is the Cloud Key Gen 2 Plus, but this tutorial should be fairly similar for any Cloud Key, future or past, that you may have and wish to set up. So all I've done is I've gone to the IP address of my Cloud Key. Now, as you can see here, the Gen 2 Plus has a little screen on it, as well as the Gen 2 I believe also has, so I just went to the IP address that it said, put it in my browser, and that's how we've arrived here. Now, in order to set up the remote access, we're going to go to the Unifi Network section, click Setup, and now just call this whatever you would like. So I'm just going to call it that for this example. Next. Username is your username of your account, and then your password of your Ubiquiti/Unifi account. Alright, now, this is totally up to you. I'm going to leave both of these on because I'm happy for it to be optimized and automatically backed up. The perk of the Gen 2 Plus is that it has a hard drive inbuilt. So we have a 1 terabyte hard drive for storing client information and backups. So I'll allow that. So next. Wi-Fi name. I'll just stick with the same as the internet that we set up, and I'm also going to use the same, actually a different password, and we'll combine 2 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Actually no, I won't, I'll keep them separate. No Wi-Fi devices, that's okay. If you have them, that's where you can select them here. Review configuration. Now, the only thing is I am, as you can probably tell, from Australia, and yep, that's the right time zone for me, so finish. Alright, so we will just let this set up. Alright, perfect, we're done. So now we're in the controller here. So this is how you remotely see everything. So as you can see, our username is here, and we have no gateways or switches on this, but we will add them on the next one. Alright, so I'll catch you on the next tutorial. Thanks guys.